Hello gamers! In today's video, let's see how to fix the Marvel Rivals server connection failed error. Start with basic troubleshooting by restarting your device and checking the server status via your official social media channels for any maintenance updates. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the game through Steam by right-clicking on Marvel Rivals in your library, selecting Manage, and uninstall and reinstalling from the Steam store. Using a game booster like Lagafast can also enhance connection stability. Simply download it, search for Marvel Rivals, select a nearby server, and click Smart Boost. Changing your DNS settings to public servers can help as well. Navigate to your network settings and set the preferred DNS as shown and alternate as shown in captions. Additionally, using a VPN may resolve connectivity issues for some players. Verify your game files in Steam by right-clicking on the game, going to Properties and Install Files, and selecting Verify Integrity of Game Files. Ensure that Marvel Rivals is added to your firewall exceptions by accessing Windows Defender firewall settings. Lastly, sync your date and time settings, reset network configurations using command prompt commands like pipconfig/release, and ensure both your Windows OS and the game are updated to their latest version. Hope you got value from this video.